Hi everyone, Andrew James, Hocking Stewart, Bell Property in Armidale, and I hope you're fit and well. Well, what a crazy financial year we've just finished. It has been incredible, hasn't it? Highs, lows, pandemics, you name it, we've got it. It's been incredible, but we've come out the other side better for it. So in the first quarter of the financial year that's just gone, we found that was a consolidation quarter. We found that the market was coming off the back of a very hard 12 months and buyers were now ready to get back into the marketplace. There wasn't as much properties on the market, so that meant the buyers had to actually compete. Once we started getting into the second quarter, what we found clearly was our clearance rates were going up. We were 60 to 70%, which was really positive. And we found that there was more properties on the market, but there was much more buyer activity at open for inspection, off markets, auctions or private sales. This gave people confidence to move, upgrade, or even just put their investment properties on the market. What happened in the third quarter was a little bit of everything. Certainly coming back from the holidays, February and March to mid-March was a very, very strong period. We had enormous amounts of volume being offered to the marketplace. We had exceptional buyer engagement. We had interest rates low and clearance rates were then at 70+%. All really positive signs. And then the pandemic came in and no one knew really about the coronavirus. But as we know now, it's with us for a while. So we had to adapt. It was private inspections only. April was a really tough quarter, and May and June. Certainly April was a really tough month. There wasn't a lot of sales being made. There was some activity, but people were very cautious. But then we found May started to get a bit more momentum. We started to find people were wanting to come out and look at property again with the easing of some restrictions. And we also found that we could actually have more than one person at a property for an auction, which helped us as well. And then in the last month of June, we found that the momentum has continued and we've seen some outstanding results. Numbers have increased again. The numbers that's happened in the month of June in terms of people coming and looking at real estate has been nothing short of amazing. We've also found that people are ready to act and act very quickly. Couple of examples, 5 Highbury Grove in Paran was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. It was for private sale. We put it on the market, it sold within 5 days with 4 bidders and the offer that bought it was above the asking price. From there, we also found that we had another one at 10 at 10 Valentine Grove, a 1-bedroom apartment. And what we found there was we had that on the market for 5 days also. And we had 6 bidders and we sold that over the top end of the asking price. And then of course we had 2 at 20 Johnson Street in Malvern, and that was a little 2-bedroom, and that was on the market for 24 hours, multiple bidding, and a very strong price indeed. What we are finding is some fantastic property coming onto the market also for the month of July and beyond. Certainly we have 54 Beaver Street, a family home on 664 square metres that starts up very shortly. That'll be in the high 2s bracket. We also have 34 Benol Avenue, a single-fronted 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, north-facing and car access. That'll be in the middle 1s range. And we have a fantastic home at 220 Wattletree Road in Malvern. A double front, 3 bedrooms, superbly renovated, that goes to auction in the month of July also, and that's worth having a look at. If you're thinking of selling, now's the time. There is a lack of property, good buyer engagement. If you have any queries or questions, please feel to reach out. Andrew James, Hocking Stewart, Bell Property in Armidale. Speak soon.